Hello, I'm Brian Medeiros, President and CEO of Coldwell Banker Bermuda Realty, and I'm standing here at the Walker Arcade and Calypso on the beautiful, beautiful Hamilton Harbor. 2024 was a very interesting year for our commercial property team. They were very, very busy negotiating multiple sales transactions on behalf of clients. We've also noticed demand for Class A and good quality Class B office accommodation remains very strong. We've had a lot of inquiries from overseas investors about the government's Economic Investment Residential Certificate, which includes a provision for commercial property developer. We're starting to see cranes on the horizons again in the city, which is great to see, and new developments coming out of the ground. Walker Arcade and Calypso provides a perfect opportunity to repurpose a beautiful, iconic building on Front Street. Give us a call if you have any questions whatsoever.